Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make Peruvian ceviche. This is a recipe I really enjoy making, not only because it's super easy, but because it is delicious and light and refreshing. And probably my favorite part is that we will be using citric acid to cook the fish. Well, technically speaking, cooking requires heat. So a ceviche, being a raw fish marinated in citric acid, in lemon, is not cooked. However, it's not raw either. The citric acid plays a very important role in this process called denaturation. So let's do it. It's highly recommended you get a fresh and high quality fish. We're gonna slice this fish. And before doing that, I like to put it on the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes so the protein firms up and it's really tight. And we're gonna be dicing it in small cubes very evenly. So you can tell here I have all the fish already in this bowl. Now let's squeeze all this lemon inside the bowl. If you have one of these, I recommend using it. It's really helpful, really handy. It will make your life a lot easier. Okay, here's all the lime juice and the fish. We're gonna make sure all gets covered and all gets really, really wet. I'm gonna put it in the fridge for now. We will need some thin slices of onion as well. If you have a mandolin, you can use it here. Normally you find a sweet potato served on the side of the ceviche and it's boiled. I like to puree mine and use it as the bed for the fish. I like to slice my potato thin so I can boil it really quick until the potato is really soft. These potatoes are done. They're tender. Now I can start making the puree. So with a spoon like this, I'm gonna drain them out. I'm gonna drain the water and I'm gonna start putting the potatoes inside the blender. Avoid bringing too much water into the blender because we want a thick puree. And I'm gonna use 1 or 2 tablespoons of this coconut milk. It's very creamy. As always, seasoned. Now I'm gonna add the Aji Amarillo, Peruvian pepper. You can get it from any ethnic store. If you cannot find it, you can use a habanero pepper for this. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of honey. Now let's get the corn ready. I'm using mountain dried corn that I also got from my ethnic store. So I'm gonna be toasting it, but you can get also already toasted corn for this recipe. I'm gonna be using 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm gonna season it with salt and pepper, and then I'm gonna put it on my oven at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. 350, 15 minutes, perfect. I didn't even preheat the oven, that's okay, you don't have to preheat it. Okay, now I'm gonna chop the cilantro. Some of the cilantro, you don't wanna chop it all because you can save some big pieces for presentation purposes to garnish the dish. The ceviche has been in the fridge for 15 minutes and as you can see, the fish has turned white and opaque. This means it's ready. So now, in order to serve it, I'm gonna use this spoon so I can drain it well so I don't bring all this leche de tigre into the dish for now. The fish should be firm to the bite. Adjust your seasoning and get ready to serve. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please share this with your friends and family, and subscribe, like, and leave a comment.